What's up, everybody? We are here. We are finally here. And look at our family. And look at them. My monster. And I have a new thing. You all know what happened. Like, you know, what happened with the wheels and everything with the max light? Oh my God.
So if you guys have been following us, by the way, definitely do follow us on Instagram. We have a brand new account created. Follow us at MacandGTV. You guys will see that I've unveiled my bike with the new rims. And I gotta say, man, I absolutely love it. I went with the two-tone scheme here. I got the inner spokes green with the lip, with the black lip scheme on the front. And then in the back, I got the black spokes with the green lip on the rear. So, on the back wheel. So, opposite schemes on both wheels. I think it looks absolutely great. You guys let me know in the comments if you're feeling it. We're out here trying to give you as much content as possible. So, that's what we're about to do.
Beautiful.
So, how you feeling about today, man?
Feeling good.
Yeah?
Little accident on that little thing.
What happened there?
It's just like, I slipped from my...
Dude, we gotta stop getting you hurt, man.
I know, that's fine. It's
Yeah,
all right.
it's all good. We live and you learn.
Yeah.
My boy Reaper is out here. You trying to reap havoc or nah? You gonna reap havoc or nah? Let me see your shirt. Follow my guy Reaper. YouTube and Instagram. Yes sir, Reaper 1K. Guys, we got tons and tons and tons of bikes out here, man. Absolutely dope out here. Beautiful turnout, beautiful weather. A little hot, but still beautiful nonetheless. And of course, you know, these H2 guys showed up to play. I can smell nothing but race fuel over here. H2, 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 H2. I wonder why I smell it. Now this guy. Me and this guy have had some Instagram battles right here. Follow my guy Jack Be Quick. YouTube and IG. The man himself. Uh-oh. Product placement? Oh, I got you. Oh, okay. Gapped you. I like that shirt. That's hilarious. That's dope. That's dope.
That's gonna be for you.
It's gonna be for me? It's gonna be for me?
Yeah, that's happening for you.
Fun time, play time.
Okay.
Hang on, guys.
Let's do it.
Dumongous. Of course, this is my guy right here.
Hey, man.
You brought Deadshot with you?
Hey, man. Hey, look, I'm over there chilling.
He's over there chilling? Macking?
Right now, I'm the only Ducati trying to represent right now.
Oh,
man.
okay. You gonna do strong, brother. You gonna do strong, brother.
Hey, man.
Rap. All you gotta do is rap. You got Rocket Taxi. Tons of bikes out here, man. More H2s. Damn. My guy Dumongous. Another $11.99. He's coming for you, Mr. Brian. You know who you are. Mr. $12.99. That $11.99 is coming for you. But yeah, guys, stick with us. Phoebe is out here. About to load up and get ready, so stick with us, guys. We'll be back in a second. That's Ease Bikes right there, as a matter of fact.
Yeah, right in front of
Beautiful 2020 S1K.
That's not fair. Hey, it's not fair.
Hey, Hyro, do you have a site that I can get the gas out of?
JR's out here.
I think Chris has one. Adam.
Yeah, they don't have a...
Yeah, man, we're about to have some fun, so we'll check you guys out in a second. So we're taking a little break, guys. Probably get something to eat. Just out here admiring Mr. Jack V. Quick's in-package S1000rr. Met some other cool dudes too on Gsxrs. It's a little hot right now, and not temperature-wise, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. It's also hot temperature-wise as well too. But we're gonna chill out for a little bit, grab some lunch, and then probably take some more rides, man. But it's pretty dope. Again, meeting more dope people, more dope vibes, more knowledge transfers. This is really what it's all about. Just coming together as one, and a successful ride yet again. So stick with us, and we will be back, guys. Hungry as all heck, so I'm gonna get that, and we'll be back. So we're out here just chilling with the fellas. Eve has convinced me to actually ride a 2020 S1000, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. He can't stand my ZX10, so
still.
so I'm gonna try out.
Jack B. Quick's bike?
What's that?
Jack B. Quick?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So we're gonna see how this goes. This is a 2020 S1000 M package. Understatement to say that this is one of my dream bikes. And my guy Jack has been nice enough to let me take this for a quick spin. Beautiful bike. Eve's bike is right next to it with the base model S1000. And this color, man, I absolutely love this color so much. But let's see how this goes. See how this rides. We'll be back in a second. It's got a GP shifter here, which feels really, really good. And it's got me thinking about it. Very smooth shift, very smooth bike, very linear, it feels great. It feels really, 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 really good. Jack, you gonna make me spend more money, man? What the hell, man? This is beautiful, man. Very smooth bike, yo. I love it already. This is dope as hell. Maybe dangerous. Oh, man.
But the thing about it is, you don't know where you're at. You're going to do some stuff like that. Because see, the way Birmingham made, I know, like 20 going that way like that. See, it runs to downtown, 59, meets 20 like this. If they get a call, they can shut it down. Because the road come into it. They can shut it down there, and they can come from behind. You ain't got nowhere to go.
I was like, bro, I need a nap. I need a nap.
Turtle.
Great. Probably stay tuned.
Turbo. Yo, whose whip is this? This is leaking bad. Is that normal?
This thing right here, bro.
Yeah. We are back, back in the garage, as you can see. Just want to give you guys some updates about what's to come, and definitely plans that we're going to do for these bikes, because we're definitely not done. We won't be done anytime soon at all. Alabama was dope, man. Again, everybody out there was dope. 60E, Jackie Quick, Humongous, Rocket Taxi, Dr. Gap. It was just awesome out there. Meeting more new people too. So
Really
it
cool
was a lot of
people.
fun. Yeah, definitely.
Really cool people. No doubt about it. Like they were really friendly, and like it was fun. Like you can just feel like there's a positive energy coming from that.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Doing a little bit of tweaks to the bike. I might go down one sprocket in the back. I might put race tools into the bike too, and just a little bit of tweaks on the bike as well too, just to make it a little bit faster. Because I'm not stretching my bike. That's definitely not happening. G and I like to go on the track and stuff like that. Even though we have a track right now, we're definitely get more in the future. But if I want to, I want to be able to take my ZX10 on the track too, because I mean that's what bikes are for, right?
Yeah.
So definitely some tweaks happening with these bikes to come for sure. I'm not sure when the next meet is, but you guys will definitely keep you guys briefed. We're definitely going to try to hit the track again too, whether it's NYST or NJMP. The CBR is almost ready to go. I actually spoke to Anthony a couple days ago. We got the quick shifter installed on that bad boy. He's got the sprockets, the spark plugs, all that stuff. The bike is almost ready to go. We just got to decide on the track fairings, really, right?
Yeah, I'm really excited for that track day, man.
Yeah, man.
Really.
Yeah.
Plus, like I'm thinking of like upgrading my bike also. Not upgrading my bike actually, on the parts and stuff. Like I'm thinking of putting a little bit more of carbon fiber. And along with that, I'm thinking of same thing what Max said, one less in the rear sprocket. And plus, I'm not sure he don't want to stretch, but I'm thinking of maybe 1 inch, because a lot of people they told me 1 inch is enough. I might have to upgrade the chain. With 520, I'm thinking of a 520 conversion.
Yeah.
So I might have to put more links in that, for 1 inch. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking. I'll keep you guys updated.
Nothing wrong with stretch bikes. It's just
Yeah.
not my preference. I
Yeah.
just even though some of the bikes do look hot stretched, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Listen.
Jackie Quick's bike, I like that bike stretched.
Yeah,
out,
we're
so-
just doing the experiment for you guys,
Definitely.
making sure, something add something new in this, making more exciting.
Yeah.
Again, once again, we ride for fun. We're not riding to put anybody down. We ride only for fun,
it's
not for
not about-
winnings. We don't want to be king or anything. We just ride for fun and that's it.
Good vibes only, man.
Only good vibes.
Yeah. So we'll keep you guys updated on our plans after that, and we'll keep you guys updated with everything that's happening.
Yep,
All right.
sounds good.
So I'll see you guys later. Peace. Are you still recording, bro?
Yeah, man. It's a good episode, man. Yeah, I'm right. What do you think?
That was cool.
Yeah, I think this is the end of episode.
Nah.
No?
Some bonus footage for y'all.
Bonus footage? Nice.
Take a look. So we are in the vet. Ebe loves this thing. I think I might love it more than him.
Yeah, man.
Woo, this thing is sexy.
I think I jumped on him. I'm not sure.
Thank you, Dude Fungus. Where's Dominic?
This thing is dope. Woof. Damn, this is nice. This center stack. It's crazy. Oh! This is gonna be bonus footage from my channel. Oh! Yo, this is way faster than I thought.
Oh yeah, 0 to 60.
Whoa.
2.9 seconds.
Yo! Oh, you love this thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you love this thing.
Get that popping sound.
Oh,
It's
man.
almost like being on a motorcycle. You get that gurgling sound.
Can you believe that this is the first time I've actually seen the Vette in person?
Really?
Any C8 Corvette. Now I'm riding in one.
Wow.
Woof. Handled that corner easily.
Yeah. Great.
Handled that corner easily. Oh man. Oh yes. Yeah! Yeah! Hell yeah! Woo! Woo! Yes!
So it gets up there.
Real fast.
So you can have it in manual mode, which we're in right now, and use the dual clutch paddle shifting, or you can put it in drive and let the computer
Do it itself, right?
Yeah, and it's pretty quick too, shifting. and
Yeah.
drive.
Is this DCT?
Yeah, it's dual clutch Tremec 8-speed transmission, and it has cylinder deactivation. So right now it's in 8 cylinders. We might see it dip down into 4 cylinders, and that'll turn from a V8 to a V4.
So a cruising
That'll
mode,
turn
right?
Yeah.